What's up, people? It's your host, Arkansas Jeff. Hopefully everybody's doing good. Things are starting to look up for me, get better. As far as my class for fire department, I'm taking the test for the first responders test tonight, so that's a plus, not having to worry about that after tonight. Work's getting a little bit better, although the overtime is ridiculous still, which I'm not hearing. Or this video, as you've seen in the title and in the thumbnail, is not about how my life is going right now. It is a new mod that I got done to my truck. I actually got this done, I think I had it done right before the apology. The weather here lately has been either too cold or just non-stop rain, so I haven't been able to do it. But a little backstory on this mod. I like to have my rims different than you or everybody else. And you know, the Rebels, they came out with a good set, or I actually like the Rebel rims, but they didn't look good on my truck, so I had to change it up. Now, I didn't exactly go as far as get new rims. What I ended up doing, and I'm not gonna hold y'all up, is I went and had the wheels wrapped to match my truck. Now, the silver, just like I said, it just didn't do it for me. It didn't look good. I mean, not that it didn't look good, it just didn't look good on my truck. So I found a shop. I asked several different places, Little Rock, in Memphis, and they was like $200 per tire and stuff like that. Actually, a place in Jonesboro quoted me $200 for all four, but whenever I got up there, they was like, well, we're gonna have to do $75 per tire. No, I did not tell them about the other guy's quotes, but I was fine paying $75 per tire. It only ended up being well, at that time, $300 is what I paid. Now, they did a good job. I'm happy with how it turned out. I mean, I ain't gonna lie to you, I love it. It looks so much better on my truck than those silver ones. But that place in Jonesboro, what they did to me was I paid $300 for it, $75 per tire. Now, before I dropped the truck off, I washed it here, which I kind of wash it now. I could have done a better job right now, but I washed it that day for them. Then as I got into Jonesboro, I hit a car wash up and scrubbed down the rims like extremely good. I mean, to make sure that the rims was perfect for them. So after they wrapped it, and they called me and they said, oh, it's ready for you to come pick up. I get there, he's like, oh, by the way, we had to charge you an extra $10 per tire because we had to clean the rims. So $85 per tire. I'm not complaining. I'm happy with it, but I think they just decided they wanted more money. Man, what's bad is they're gonna watch this. Yeah, super tense. Nah, I'm happy customer didn't mind paying it, but like I told you when there, you know, the time to tell a customer that you're gonna charge them more is before you do the job, not after you get it done. But I understand that you was banking on me being happy with them, which I was. Oh, and side note, because where's my ramble? This is, well, I probably got plenty of it already, but another more ramble is I've decided that I was trying to think of a name for my Ram Rebel, and my last truck I called Villain, because that was my gamer tag, is Villain, and I love the dark truck or black truck and how it looks, so I called it Villain. And I wanted to do this one and call it Villain, but I decided, you know, that's not going to be right because that was the last truck. And I started thinking Ram Rebel, and then it hit me, like, because I ramble all the time, Ram Rebel is close to ramble, so I did the Bennifer thing, put Ram and Rebel together. And now whenever you hear me say where's my ramble, not only will where's my ramble be about me rambling on in my vlogs, but it's also going to be my truck. My truck is going to be called my Ramble. I think that's perfect. It worked out pretty good for me, in my opinion. Hopefully you liked the video. That's today's mod. I'm gonna try and get y'all as much as I can of it. I actually might try to see if I can't get somebody to record me driving down the road so you can see what it looks like while the truck's in motion. But I'm pleased with it. I'm happy. So much better than just the silver. I mean, a white and black truck shouldn't have that silver. And speaking of that, I will be powder coating my skid plate sooner or later, hopefully sooner. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do white on this Ram on front. I don't know. I'm trying to debate if that's gonna, I think that'll look better than just doing it black. Go ahead and comment down below what color you think I should have that Ram on the front. I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Not as long as I try to keep my videos around 10 minutes, to be honest with you, if I can, but I don't want to bore you too much. All right, well, hopefully right about now I will be installing footage of the truck in motion. And if you like this video, go ahead and click that like button down below. Comment, let me know what you think of it. Yay, nay, negative. Comment, let me know what you think about doing white on the Ram, black on the skid plate. I actually thought about doing white on the skid plate, but I thought that would just be too, that would mess it up a little bit too much. Go ahead and do black that all out, and do white here. I think that would be good. Give me your comments down below. If you have not done so already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Get me on up there. Oh, and a plus, as of today, I am at 78 subscribers, which is phenomenal for me, but I say phenomenal every single time I reach a milestone. My next milestone will be 100, and after that, it'll be 250. So let's keep it going. All right, later.